Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove account from OneDrive. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open OneDrive. So here you can see that I open OneDrive. So here you need to click on the OneDrive, the right mouse cursor, and click on show more options, and then you need to go into the settings, and here you need to go and click on account and click on unlink this PC and click on unlink account. So now it is unlinking. So here you need to set up, and if you want to sign in again, you can add your email address here and click on sign in again. So this is a simple process by which you can remove account from OneDrive. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.